sabi nyo kanina sa akin, you're going to use it na rin na pang business.
Yeah, water business.
Yeah, water business and
Marami
ice na rin kayo.
Wala pa nga kaming water refilling. Ang dami nang nakapila po. Kasi they want clean water.
Yes, gawin natin po, for the start, I will recommend the package 9. And then kapag lumakas din yung water station ninyo, kasi sir, hindi ko masabi sa inyo na 5 years bago masira, hindi ganun eh. Kasi depending on your capacity pa rin. Baka mamaya, lakas-lakas na pala, yung maximum palagi yung gamit ng makina. Baka after 1 year or 2 years, meron tayong troubleshoot na gagawin.
So automatic na pwede siyang i-upgrade. Papalitan yung kapag
No, the package 9 is the top of the line namin. Wala ka nang i-upgrade dun. It's already upgraded.
Meron ba siyang upgrade path or we need to change something?
Sa 9, yun na po kasi yung high-end eh. Kung yung lower package ang kukunin, para ma-upgrade siya into package 9, we have to replace everything.
Yung
Basically,
package 7.
Walang upgrade yung iba. Yung 7, upgradable siya. Same specs po siyang 9. So kung yung 7 muna ang kukunin mo, pwede yun. Yes, napakaliit ang diferensya.
50,000.
40,000, sir.